In this video, I want to show you how to restart your Philips Roku TV. This is pretty useful if your TV starts acting weird, if an app is not loading, if it freezes often, if it's slow, anything of this nature. So what you need to do, alright, is to press, if your TV is actually not frozen, obviously, I'll show you another trick in a few seconds in case your TV is frozen, but if you're still able to access the menu, press the home button, on the remote control, and then on the left side over here we need to go all the way down. To save time, simply press once on the up arrow on the remote so we get to the last option, which is settings. Once you're over here, go down again all the way down by pressing on one time on the up arrow, and you're going to get system. From here we need to select power, so go down and select power, and then the last option will be system restart. Let me go down below and select OK. Then select restart. This is not a factory reset. Nothing will be deleted once you choose this. So press OK and wait. It will shut down and it will power on by itself without you having to touch anything. Here we go. It's powered back on. Give it a few more seconds. And in just a few seconds, you're going to have the home screen and your TV will be fully restarted, and hopefully you won't have the problem that you are having. Here we go. Now, if your TV is 100% frozen, you cannot go through the menus and do what I just showed you. What you can do is to simply go ahead and unplug it from the wall outlet. So even if the screen is turned on, in case, again, it's frozen and you're not able to go through the menus, go ahead, disconnect it from the wall outlet, wait around 15 seconds, and then plug it back. Once it's plugged back, go ahead and turn on your TV using the button that is located under it. In my case, the button is right in the middle under the Philips logo. Click on it, power it back on, and use it. Hopefully your problem will be gone. But overall, this is it. Leave a like if this video was helpful, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.